Docs2Use Tally plugin transforms your Tally into a cloud-based document management solution, using which you can conveniently attach and access documents from your Tally vouchers and masters. Once the plugin is installed, you will now find a Docs2U DMS menu on your Tally gateway. To set up your plugin, simply sign into your Docs2U Cloud workspace. A workspace is your own private cloud space where all your documents are stored and organized. You can click this button to create one in case you do not have a workspace yet. Once you enter your valid credentials, your Tally account gets connected to your Docs2U account and you can begin managing all your documents right from within Tally. If you have admin rights in Docs2U, you can access the administration menu for managing your team and setting up additional configurations. From the user management table, you can invite, delete, and modify users. If you have multiple members in your team, you can invite them and bring everyone onto this Tally plugin by simply entering their email and selecting a role. In the configurations section, you will find some advanced settings that can be used to enhance your document management experience. For example, Docs2U also lets you automatically upload PDFs of your vouchers to your cloud workspace. If you click on Voucher Uploads, you will be able to configure which voucher types should be automatically uploaded to Docs2U. Whenever you save a voucher in such a voucher type, a PDF of the voucher will be automatically sent to your Docs2U workspace. Once your basic setup is done, you will now see a link to add or view documents on all your vouchers and masters. You can use this section to add documents with a single click or view the existing ones. Simply click the Upload Document button, select the document you want, and it gets quickly uploaded to Docs2U's cloud. A unique link for each document gets placed in your Tally data, letting you access the document easily. Anyone with access to your Tally data and a valid Docs2U account can view the documents in a voucher or master by selecting the document and pressing the View button. The document then quickly opens up in your browser. We also associate important transaction information like company name, voucher number, voucher type, etc. with your document as tags. Let's create a new voucher now. As we saw earlier, you now have a setting that dictates whether this voucher's PDF should be uploaded to Docs2U or not. Once we have created the voucher and click Accept, the voucher PDF gets uploaded to Docs2U. You can click the View Voucher in Docs2U button at any time to view this PDF on your browser. Docs2U has also made it very easy to retrieve Tally documents directly from the Docs2U interface. Let me show you how that works. Enter your workspace URL in a browser tab and your login credentials if you need to. Here, you can quickly find and access documents using our unique Smart Cabinet. The cabinet includes a number of Tally-specific filters that can help you locate any document quickly with just a few clicks. Using the information from Tally like voucher type or voucher number, documents can be easily located within seconds. With Docs2U's Tally plugin, break free from the effort of managing your accounts and financial documents on paper. Instead, go digital and store them securely forever on the cloud. Get started with a free trial today.